StorVault presents our guide to file space. First things first, what is file space? Now that you know what it is, let us show you how to install it. Before we start, make sure you have a computer with the compatible operating system, internet access, login information, and about 5 minutes. Ready to dive in? Here's how to get started with FileSpace. Make sure you've received your FileSpace name, domain name, username, and password. Download time. Head over to LucidLink.com, look for the download option called LucidLink Classic. Now pick the one that works best with your system. For our Windows users, locate your installation download and double-click to initiate installation. The setup wizard will pop up. Follow the prompts as directed. Before you continue to the install, please agree to the license agreement. As the install proceeds, another pop-up will appear asking to make changes to the device. Agree and continue. Finish the install and close the setup wizard. You might be asked to restart File Explorer. And that is that. The install is complete. For our Line X users, the GUI way. Locate your installation download, right-click the file and select Open with Other Application. Select Software Install and click Select. This will now open in the Software Install Manager. Click Install and allow it to fully complete. You will require administrative privileges to continue. Please provide a valid password and select Authenticate. Once installed, you will see this reflected in the Software Install Manager. You can now launch Lucid from your Applications menu. LucidLink client will be available from the Applications menu. Launch the Lucid client to connect to your file space. First, figure out which Line X family you're in. If you have Ubuntu, Mint, or Debian, you're Team Blue. If you have CentOS, Fedora, or Red Hat, you're Team Red. Don't worry, both work the same way. Now Team Blue. Press Ctrl+Alt+T. For Debian users, copy this entire command. Right-click in Terminal, paste it, and hit Enter. Your computer will download the installer. Now type this install command. It'll ask for your password. Here's the weird part, you won't see anything when you type. No dots, no stars, nothing. This is a security thing. Trust me, just type your password and press Enter. LucidLink is now installing onto your device. The install is now complete. Now Team Red. Red Hat users, your command is slightly different. Use this one instead. Notice it ends in .rpm not .deb. Install with this command. It might ask, is this okay? Type the letter Y and press Enter. Then your password, same invisible typing situation. The installation should be complete. Once installed, click your Applications menu, search for Lucid, and click the icon. Easy. For our Mac OS users, locate your downloaded installer and double-click to initiate installation. Review the introduction and click Continue. Review the software license agreement and click Continue. You will be prompted and asked if you agree or disagree with the license agreement. Click Agree to continue. You now have the option to choose a different install location for LucidLink. To continue with the default location, click Install. You will be asked to provide administrator authentication to install the app. Either a password or Touch ID. Enter the necessary details and continue. Wait while the installation wizard completes our client installation. LucidLink client will be available from Finder within Applications. Please launch the client and connect to your file space. Once completed, Lucid will automatically open and you may receive some notifications from macOS about background notifications. If you still need help, please don't be afraid to ask us at helpdesk@storvault.co.za.